If this pandemic is still here, it is your fault. While it is different for everyone, we all suffer. We all lost something in this pandemic. I am sitting by. I took the COVID-19 vaccine already. And as you can see, I feel great. I am here today to urge you guys to take the COVID-19 vaccine. My three main points are the damages caused by the pandemic, the safety of the COVID-19 vaccine, and the advantages of COVID-19 vaccine. The damages caused by COVID-19 vaccine. COVID-19 vaccine is a deadly disease. According to the source, New York Times, as of today, May 7, 2021, the world has a record of 156 million cases, which is exactly 2 times of the New York population. Among those cases, 3.2 million people have lost their lives. As many of you, unfortunately, I have some family members who died as a result of this pandemic. Lockdown was implemented in 82 countries around the world, but at a high socioeconomic expense. According to the World Bank predictions, the global recession will be the worst since World War II, with millions of people losing their job and slipping into poverty. Indeed, by discussing the evident and hidden cost of the outbreak, economists have even spoken of a trillion dollar virus. The safety of the COVID-19 vaccine. The vaccine is safe. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, are in charge of the vaccine's safety. We have 2 vaccines currently in use to help protect people who become in contact with the virus from becoming sick. According to Hopkins Medicine, the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines authorized by FDA have very good safety records. We all want to live, but we cannot say that we value our life more than the celebrities, more than politicians, athletes, and influencers. Well, the majority of them, leading by example, have started the path to immunity by receiving the COVID-19 vaccine. According to Washington CNN, all living former presidents, Jimmy Carter, Bill Clinton, George Bush, Barack Obama, and their respective former first ladies took the vaccine and urging the rest of the country to do the same. According to NBA.com, players receive COVID-19 vaccine, for example, Karl Anthony Towns, Gordon Hayward, and even LeBron James recommended to all the rest to take the vaccine. The advantages of the vaccine. After you are fully vaccinated for COVID-19, you may be able to start doing some things that you stopped doing because of the pandemic. You can gather indoors without mask, with other people who are fully vaccinated. According to Travel US News, some Caribbean nations are open to fully vaccinated individuals from all countries, as long as you show proof of your final dose was administered no less than 2 weeks before traveling. For example, in Belize, travelers should show their present COVID-19 vaccine record card upon arrival. This just means that we will have travel restriction if we don't get the vaccine. We can finally replace fear to cheers after taking the vaccine. We can get back to the job we lost. We can reopen our business and rebuild economy. According to the White House, the President Joe Biden stated the fact that we are facing eviction, homelessness, hunger, loneliness, a loss of control, and maybe worst of all, a loss of hope. All of those can be recovered. We can go back to our normal life if we take the vaccine. Now that I discussed with you about the damages caused by the pandemic, the safety of the COVID-19 vaccine, and the advantages of the vaccine, I said everyone should take the vaccine. For me, getting the vaccine came down to a simple decision. I would rather face the potential side effect of a vaccine than put my life in dangers, put people's life at risk by catching or spreading the virus. Remember that I said, if this pandemic is still here, it is your fault. Take responsibility. Do your job. Do your part. Roll up your sleeve and take your shot. Thank you.